So as long as it says connected here, you're good. You don't need to go here and mess with this or anything like that to do what I'm showing you. Okay, once you have your pedal connected via USB to the software, you got the screen that looks like this. These are all your amps that are inside your pedal. These are ones that are not. So to audition the ones inside your pedal, you could just click through like this. So here we have looks like a Marshall Silver Jubilee. So we got that one, and then we come across this one, JT18, and it's kind of less volume, not very much drive. So let's go and fix that on the pedal instead of doing it in the software. That way we will have the same sound when we're done, because we're not taking it off the software and dumping it into the pedal. So we want to edit this because it's just not that loud, needs a little more gain, so on and so on. So what we're going to do is hold this down, and we're going to go to our compressor. There. Compressor is off. We want to turn that on. Click it again. Get back to the selection. And let's go to compressor patch. Click that. It's in post. That's where we want it, not pre-post. Go to attack. Yeah, that's good. If that's low, up that to like 20. Just a good starting spot. Check the model. Let's put that at 5.0. Now here's the threshold for the compressor. Put that about -7.5 is fine. Starting point. Okay. Now let's go to compressor gain, and this is going to give you your volumes. Let's start at 3. Let's check it now. There we are. Much better off. So anyways, that's a quick, easy fix. Oh, save it. These two buttons at the same time. You could do the devil horns. Just come down here, hit them. Saved. So any of these amps down here, these are the amps on your pedal, right? So below this bar here, these are amps that you can drag and drop onto your pedal when it's hooked up. For instance, you could take the matchless here, left click and drag and drop it right over that. We're going to override it. Now that's in my pedal. So now this is in my pedal. And I can now go to my pedal and do all the same adjustments.